Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to verify eBay bank account. Now let's get it started. First of all, open any browser that you like. Over here, I'm using Edge. Now search for www.ebay.com on your search bar. Now log into your account if you haven't. I have already logged in. Now tap on My eBay on top right corner. Tap on it. And this will open your My eBay. And over here, you can see three options: Activity, Messages, and Account. Tap on Account. Now you can see payment information over here. Tap on Payments. Now scroll down and tap on Add Cards and Account. Now you will be asked what you are going to use this payment method for. It's either checkout or auction and offers. I'm keeping it checkout for now. Tap on Checkout and tap on Continue. Now you can see three options over here. As we are going to add a card, tap on Credit Card or Debit Card. Then tap on Continue. Now fill out all your information that includes your card number, expiration date, security code, first name and last name. And after filling all of them, tap on Add. I'm not going to add a card right now, but I will guide you through the process. After tapping Add, eBay will deposit 2 small verification amounts in your bank account. This may take 1 to 2 business days. Check your bank account for this small deposit, then return to the eBay to enter the exact amounts. Once you have entered the amounts, eBay will verify your bank account and you are all set to start receiving payments. And that's how you verify your bank account on eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.